Hello moneymakers. Are you a car enthusiastic person? Just like you, there are millions and millions of people who search and watch car-related news or review videos on YouTube. There is really a high demand for this content, and there are a few channels who are doing it in a right way and making tons of money from this niche without even showing their face or actually shooting any videos. Yes, you don't even need to show your face or shoot a car video. I will show you everything in detail in this video. First of all, let's see some example channels. This channel called Bladed Angel has over 700,000 subscribers, and some of their popular videos has crossed more than 5 million views mark. It is expected that this channel is doing pretty good in terms of revenue, and they are also getting good brand sponsorships as well. Another channel named Omni Rider has over 90,000 subscribers by uploading less than 100 videos on their channel. So if you figure the way to create this content regularly, you will be making more than at least $10,000 per month from AdSense revenue alone, as the CPM on such channels are pretty high. So without wasting more of your time, let me show the whole process of video creation from finding topics to editing videos. Everything will be covered in this tutorial. Let's a glass of chilled beer and watch this video with me till the end. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Finding the ideas. Now the great way to find the topic is to open all of your competitor channels. For example, channels like Viral Vehicle, Omni Riders, and many more. Now take a note of their most popular videos, and those videos that gets consistent views per hour. And then start to create a video on these topics. Take information and style from their videos, and make sure to create a better and engaging version when you create your own. This way, your videos will get more traction. If there is a video that is 6 minutes long, try to create a video about 10 minutes long, and add your own information as well. This can help you to get more views and more watch time as compared to your competitors. For instance, if they are covering 5 cars in their video, try to cover 7 or 10 cars in your topic, and make sure to give extra information and quality one. So this way there is more possibility that your video will also rank on those topics as your competitors. In addition, you also have other options. Open YouTube and search for the top 10 cars. And YouTube will automatically suggest some topics. Then if you are targeting some specific country, you can add the country name in your video topic for better search ranking. So this way you can do your topic research. And remember, when you create your videos, make sure that they are at least 8 minutes long. This allows YouTube to place multiple ad breaks and increase your ad revenue as well. So for the reference video, I will choose this topic for my video. 5 cheap cars that will make you look rich. Alright, once the topic idea is finalized, let's move to the next step. Step 2, script writing. Now to write a script, you need to collect all the information for each and every car. There are many articles available on Google. Or you can get that information from many car blogs as well. So collect the information and paste it in the Google Docs. Then open ChatGPT and enter this prompt. I'm going to create a video on write your topic. Below are some details about the cars. Please provide a detailed YouTube video script and cover each and every topic thoroughly. Also add more information apart from the article as well, and paste your information. So as a result, ChatGPT provides a complete script. Now you have to modify this script and add your own knowledge in this script as well.
Do you want prompts that I personally use to write scripts for my channels? Then just hit that subscribe and like button and comment down below. I will pick your comments from the studio and reply you with the amazing prompts which you might have not used before in your journey as a giveaway.
As we have a script, let's move to the next step. Step 3. Voiceover. Now I would suggest using your own voice in this niche. This will help to connect more with your audience. However, if you are not comfortable with using your own voice, you can take help from AI as well. Try to choose best voice, which is conversational and natural looking voices. I will suggest using 11 Labs. Open 11 Labs. Play with different voices and choose one which looks best. I will go with Hass's voice. Paste your script and hit generate.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury cars that won't break the bank. If you've ever dreamed of driving a car that screams
Alright, now we have a script and voiceover. Let's move to the next step. Step 4. Collecting images and footage. Now in this step, we need to collect images and footages to create a video. So all you have to do is open your script, copy the car name and paste it in Google. From here, you will get so many images, so you can download it from here. Now the question is from where you will get the footages. You can take video clips up to 5 seconds from the YouTube video, which is uploaded by their official channel. Because you are promoting their car, so they will get free publicity and you won't get copyright claims. Also, if possible, try to give credit in the description as well. Ensure not to take clips more than 5 seconds because if you are using more than this time frame, you might get the copyright strike in your channel. Alright, so this way collects all the images and footage and creates a separate folder for each car, so it will make your editing process go smooth. Alright, we have all the materials. Now it's time to merge them. Let's move to the next step. Step 5, editing. And for editing, I will use Canva. Because in Canva, we will find many ready-made templates which help us to create our video engaging. Alright, open Canva and choose the video icon from the dashboard. Now click on the upload button and upload the voiceover which we generated with 11 labs. Then drag the voice track into the timeline. After that, go to the design and search for the car. So as you can see, there are so many ready-made videos here which we can use for the intro. Let's select one of these. Change the text and add your own text. Here I will add my channel name. You can add anything. Try to choose the same intro in your all videos, so it will create your brand name. After that, click on Elements and search for the luxurious car, or anything related to your videos. Now split the page and add these footages in the intro part. Now as per my topic, I will be talking about 5 cars in my video, so I will select any of these templates from the design section and add it here. Now let's remove unwanted things from the template. Then I will add a photo of a luxury car. And enter the video topic in this box. We can also add animation into this, so it will look cool. After that, duplicate this page and enter the first car name. Then upload all the images and videos of that particular car in Canva. Now remove this car and let's add our first car image, which is Aston Martin V8 Vantage. You can also remove the image background from Canva itself. Now one by one add the images as per your voiceover. Also add video clips up to 5 seconds between 2 images. If the video is longer than 5 seconds, try to split it between 2 or 3 parts. Then use one part of the video for up to 5 seconds, and then add some images, then again add the other parts. And select any of these filters which looks best for the video clip. This way follows the same process till the last car. Try to add more text and elements so your video will not look boring. At last, add background music to your video. For this, open YouTube audio library. Choose the music which suits your video and download it. Then upload the music into Canva and add the music into the timeline. Decrease the volume, so the original voice will heard properly. Now our video is ready, but to give a final touch, let's download this and upload it to the CapCut. Click on Share and download on your computer. Open CapCut Import Video and add it into the timeline. Now click on Right button and choose Split Scenes, so it will automatically split your video scene by scene. Then click on the transition and choose Light Effects. Add these transitions between each image and video. It will make your video stunning. After that, click on Image, choose Animation. Choose Combo and add animations to each image. This will add some movement in your images, and it will not look just like a normal ones. Now go to the effects, click on Light Effect, and add these effects in your video where it requires. So here I will add this sunset effect to the complete video. Then add other effect, where you add the video clip, like this. Moreover, you can also add auto caption in your video from the CapCut. And that's it, now your video is ready to be uploaded. Click on Export and export it on your computer.
I have always shared my expertise and new ideas on this channel, as I have over 10 years of experience in content creation. I started off as a video editor, and then later I was managing big channels for my clients, from content planning to publishing videos. As a result, you can see that my channel has grown from 0 subscribers to what we are today. I have 5 more channels on different niche which I currently manage. Apart from my free content, if you are looking for a coaching or mentorship directly from myself, I am taking 5 new people this month to my coaching program, where on a live call I will teach you content creation business with AI. Also, you will get 1 year of support directly from myself through Skype. So if you are interested, you can email me or ping me on my Skype, which is mentioned in the description of this video.
So this way you can create faceless car reviews videos with AI. Let's have a look to our demo video.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury cars that won't break the bank. If you've ever dreamed of driving a car that screams success without the hefty price tag, you're in for a treat. Here are 5 affordable cars that will make you look like $1 million. First up, we have Aston Martin V8 Vantage. Known for its association with James Bond, this car exudes class and sophistication. The Vantage features a 4.3L V8 engine with rear-wheel drive, making it as thrilling to drive as it is to look at. The timeless design and the rowdy performance make it a comfortable grand tourer and an exciting drifter. Look for models from around 2006 to 2017, and you might find this gem priced between $40,000 to $60,000. Next, let's talk about the Bentley Continental GT. This car is a favorite in hip-hop and R&B music videos for a reason. With its 6.0 LW12 engine, pumping out over 600 horsepower, it offers both performance and prestige. The Continental GT's presence is undeniable, making you feel like royalty every time you drive it.